Visual. A cyclist rides along a picturesque road with a futuristic tricycle camper in tow. Introducing the Tricycle Camper, where design meets adventure, offering a new way to explore the world around you. Visual. The cyclist reaches a serene spot, parks, and effortlessly unfolds the camper into a compact living space. Lightweight and easy to set up, this camper transforms any journey into a relaxing retreat. Visual. Inside the camper, showing a fold-out bed, neat storage compartments, and modern amenities like a small kitchen setup and lighting. Inside, you'll find everything you need for comfort, from a cozy bed to smart storage and efficient lighting, all powered by solar energy. Visual. Solar panels on the camper absorb sunlight, powering lights and charging devices. With solar power keeping you connected, you can stay off the grid while charging your devices and using energy-efficient appliances. Visual. The camper travels over various terrains, from smooth asphalt to rugged gravel roads and dirt paths. Built to handle any environment, the Tricycle Camper is ready to tackle the city streets or the backcountry trails with ease. Visual. The camper is parked by a tranquil lake, the cyclist enjoying the view as the sun sets. From dawn to dusk, the Tricycle Camper gives you the freedom to enjoy the beauty of nature, no matter where you are. Visual. The camper folds back up, attached to the tricycle, ready for the next adventure. Compact, efficient, and easy to transport, the Tricycle Camper is perfect for those who crave adventure without compromise. Text on screen. Tricycle Camper. Explore more. Pre-order now. Visual. The cyclist rides off, camper in tow, into the horizon. Are you ready to experience the freedom of the open road? The Tricycle Camper is waiting for you.